Ready, start. To fulfill the object with terms and conditions which are cumulative in nature, it is advisable for the court to ensure that the remedy provided as agreed between the parties in terms of the contract is first exhausted. Stop. It has been considered by a 3 judges bench of this court in Union of India and another versus MP Gupta (Supra). Stop. Taking note of clause 64 of the agreement for arbitration, the court held that in view of express provision contained in terms of the agreement in appointment of 2 gazetted railway officers, the High Court was not justified in appointment of a retired judge as the sole arbitrator. Stop. It was further considered by this court in Union of India and another versus VS Engineering (P Limited (Supra) as under. Stanza. The learned additional Solicitor General appearing for the Appellants Union of India has pointed out that as per clauses 63 and 64 of the general conditions of contract, this court in no uncertain terms has held that the arbitral tribunal has to be constituted as per the general conditions of contract, the High Court should not interfere under section 11 of the Act, and the High Court should accept the arbitral tribunal appointed by the General Manager, Railways. Stop. In this connection, the learned ASG invited our attention to a decision of this court directly bearing on the subject in Union of India versus MP Gupta (2004) 10 SCC 504 wherein a similar question with regard to appointment of the arbitral tribunal for the railways with reference to clause 64 of the general conditions of contract came up before this court, and this court held that where 2 gazetted railway officers are appointed as the arbitral tribunal, the High Court should not appoint a retired judge of the High Court as a sole arbitrator, and the appointment of sole arbitrator was set aside. Stop. The conditions of clauses 63 and 64 of the general conditions of contract are almost analogous to the one we have in our hand. Stop. In that case also, relying on clause 64 of the contract, a 3-judge bench presided over by the Chief Justice of India observed as follows: SCCP 505, para 4, in view of the express provision contained therein that 2 gazetted railway officers shall be appointed as arbitrators, Justice P.K. Behari could not be appointed by the High Court as the sole arbitrator. Stop. Over.